Fix Windows 10 update service not working. So if you want to fix if your Windows 10 update service is not working, there are a couple of ways to get around it. First of all, you want to make sure that it is not an internet connection issue, because sometimes the internet connection could be the sole reason for such an internet or such an issue. Otherwise, what you can do is simply go to your search bar and simply open up the services app here. And once you open the services app, this is again the kind of interface you will see. Over here, you can simply go to this sort by name and go to W section and look for Windows Update section over here, right? So once you're here under this Windows Update section, as you'll be able to see, just right click on it and you can simply go to this option called refresh and then just restart this thing over here. Now you can close this Windows and now you can restart your PC, and that should definitely help you solve your problem. So I hope this video helped you as to how you can fix if the Windows Update service is not working. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching till the end. And as always, see you soon in the next video.